Hello, hi, good morning, my dear friends and students. I hope all are doing well and good. I am Ravi. You are watching Ravi Maths Page channel for math education. In the channel, we are going to discussing and learning mathematical basic concept. Already, I have explained in the previous videos some mathematical basic concept. If you not watch the previous videos, please watch the previous videos and learn the maths basics perfect and thoroughly. After, you have to do the math calculations perfect and accurate. Today we are going to discuss very most easy and important topic, that is comparing numbers. How to compare the given numbers. Suppose I will take here some numbers. Now we have to see how we can compare the numbers. Okay. Suppose 237, 546, 757. These are the three numbers. Now these three numbers, how to compare? In mathematics. So if you want to compare the numbers, means we have some mathematical symbols are there. What are the mathematical symbols here? First one is the symbol. What is the name of the symbol? The symbol name, it is greater than. It is the greater symbol. Next one is lesser symbol. This symbol is lesser. One more symbol is equal. By using these three symbols, we can compare the how many numbers? Only two numbers we can compare. Suppose more than two numbers are there. How to compare? More than two numbers are there means how to compare? Yes, how to compare means, so that number we have to arrange in the some order. What are that order is? Order is ascending order. Second one is descending order. Descending order. By using these five elements, greater, lesser, equal, ascending order and descending order. By using these five mathematical elements, we can compare the numbers. If you want to compare only two numbers, means we can use these three symbols. More than two means we can use these elements. What are the elements? Ascending order and descending order. Now one by one we have to discuss. These are the comparing symbols. Okay. Shall I write this one? Yes. By using these symbols, how I can compare? When we have to compare the numbers, means we have to start with the where onwards? Left side digits. Remember, where onwards? Left side digits we have to compare. Okay. Now see, compare. First we will compare these two numbers. After these two. One by one we have to compare. 237, 546. 237 and 546. How to compare here? See. Here, how to compare? Remember, left side digits we have to compare. Suppose here 2 will be there, here 5 will be there. Here 2, here 5. So, in these 2 and 5, which one is greater, which one is smaller here? Yes, 5 is a greater, 2 is a smaller. 5 is a greater, 2 is a smaller. What is the place value of 2 here? 200. What is the place value of 5 here? 500. So place value we can take, either we can take the digits, any one. Okay, I am taking here only digits. Very easy manner we can compare. So 237 compared to this 5, it is less. Compared to 5, 2 is the less. That's why how I am writing here, 237 lesser than what number? 546. 546. Now these two number compare. Okay, how to compare? So the first step is what here? Start with the extreme left digits. What is the extreme left digits here? Here 5 is there, here 7 is there. So 5 and 7, which digit is greater digit? 7 is the greater digit, 5 is the lesser digit. That's why how we can write here this number? 546. 546 is lesser than 757. 757. Okay, it is the one way of comparison. Like this, it is for a one way of comparison. One way of comparison. So we can compare another way also. We can compare another way. How I compare? See here. First I have taken here first number. Suppose if I take the second number to first number comparison, how to compare? Very simple here. 546. How it is? It is the greater. Compared to what number? 237. So 546 is a greater. Now what is the symbol? Greater symbol. In this case smaller. Remember first number, how it is? The position of the first number represented the symbol, not for second number. See here. 237. What is the position it is? How it is? Lesser than what number? 546. Here 546 lesser than of 757. Now what is the first number here? 546. Position is what? Greater position. Compared to what here? 237. What it is? 237. Now next, this one compare. First this digit you have to take the first. Then in this case, how to compare the number? 757. 757 is a, how it is? It is a greater. It is a greater. So greater means how it is now? What is the number? 546. 546. 757 is a greater than of 546. 546 is a greater than of 237. It is another way of it. It is for one more way. One more way of comparison. So we can compare two ways. Either like this we can compare, or like this we can compare. So anyway we will get the answer should be same only. Now first number is what here? 237. Second number is what here? 546. Third number is what here? 757. 757. Okay. Now 237 lesser than of 546. 546 is how it is? Lesser than of 757. Now reverse. 546 is a greater than of 237. 757 greater than of 5. Sir, how to remember this the symbol which is greater, which is the smaller? So very simple here. Open. The open symbol is there na, like this open symbol. Open symbol represents the greater side. It is for greater. So like this arrow symbol is there na, this arrow indicates as a lesser sign. So open, how we can remember this one is a crocodile. Crocodile mouth always it will open na. That symbol you have to represent here. Crocodile. So mouth open means it is for greater. Lesser meaning is arrow symbol means it is for less. So like this also we can remember. So by using these three symbols we can compare. Sir, when we have to use the equal symbol, suppose see here 700, one more number also 700 only. In this case we can use these two symbols? No. Why? Because the values of both numbers are same and equal. That's why here we are using equal symbol. We are using equal symbol. 700 equal to 700. 700 equal to 700. So like this we can compare the easily numbers. Okay. Suppose these all are the only two numbers. Suppose 3, 4, 5, 6 numbers. Then how to compare? That is the very most important task for the children. Okay. Now here 237, 546. I will take one more two numbers. 247, 256. 256. Now how to compare these all numbers? Yes. See here. Yes. How to compare here? See, so this number we have to compare means by using lesser, greater and equal symbol we can compare. When more than two numbers are there means how to compare means in this case we are going to apply the concept is ascending order, descending order. Ascending order and descending order. So this number we can represent either in the ascending order or descending order. How to represent ascending order and descending order? What is the meaning of ascending order? Ascending order means that the number we can represent from the smallest to biggest numbers. The numbers we can write from smallest number to biggest numbers are called as the ascending order. That is the definition of ascending order. Descending order is the what is the meaning? What is the meaning of descending order? Descending order is the numbers we can arrange from the biggest to smallest number. The numbers we can write biggest number to smallest numbers are called as a descending order. Descending order. So ascending order, descending order. When we have to apply more than two numbers, remember more than two numbers. If only two numbers means only we have to apply greater than or lesser than or equal symbol we have done. So these three symbols for only two numbers. More than two there means we have to apply ascending order or descending order. So now how we have to write? First I will write ascending order. Ascending order. Can you tell me children what is the meaning of ascending order? The numbers we have to arrange from smallest number to biggest number. Smallest number to biggest number. Okay. So we have to arrange means we have to compare means what I told. We have to observe the extreme left digit of the all numbers. Okay. Now see here. First number is 2, second number is 5, third number is 7, fourth number is again 2. So third number is again 2 only. Meaning is here. So 2, 5, 7, 2, 2. Meaning is, so in this, what is the smallest number in this all? 2 is the smallest number. 2 is the smallest number. But 2 is repeating for 3 numbers. Why? Because here see 237, 247, 256. 256. So 2 is the smallest number, but 3 numbers are there. Starting with the digit is 2, 3 numbers are there. Then what we should do, sir? Which number we have to write? So these 3 numbers are first digits equal. So equal means we can't do. Which one we can write we don't know. That's why So which numbers the first digit is equal? Now that numbers digits, next digit we have to consider. Next digit we have to consider. So check out again here. So why? Because here first digit is all are equal. Then we can't write here. So why? Because 2 is equal for all. So which one we can write? We can't decide this number or this number or this number. That's why for this 3 number we are going to check next digits. It is what here? So next digit place is what here? Tens place. Here tens place. Here 3 will be there. Here 4 will be there. Here 5 will be there. Why we are checking second digit reason? Why? Because in this 3 number first digit is the same value. If it is the same value, we can't decide which number will become first. That's why we are going to check next place digit. That is the tens place digit 3, 4, 5. 3, 4, 5. Now check out children. In this digits, which digit is the greater digit or smaller digit here? 3, 4, 5. 3 is the smaller digits. That's why first we have to write the, what is the first digit is this one. Which one is 3 is the first digit na? So this one we have to write here. 237 is a first smallest number among 5 numbers. 237. Next digit is what here? Next digit, next number is what here? So next number also here 2. Another 2 numbers are there, similar numbers. What is here? Here 4, here 5. In this, which one is smaller number? So 4 is the smaller number. Pick out that number. What is now here? 4, 247. Now can you tell me, compared to these 2 numbers, so which one is smaller, which one is greater here? 237 is a smaller, smaller or lesser than of 247. Next, what number will become? 256. 256. In the same manner, we will get the next digit is 5 there. Now again, 247 is a lesser than of 256. So here, this digits came, this digit we pick out, this digit is picked out. So 3 numbers we written in the order. Remaining left numbers are what here? This number and this number. So now consider here. First digit is what here? 5. Here what it is? 7. So always first digit, if the first place digit is equal, then we have to move the next place digit. If next place digit also equal, then we have to move the next place digit. Like this we have to go. When it is for equal. If it is not equal, so direct consider which one is greater digit, which one is lesser digit. So ascending order means lesser, smallest means take the smallest digit is the first number. Okay. 546 and 757. Here 5 is there, here 7 is there. So 5 place value is 500. 7 place value is here 700. Which one is 500 is greater or 700 is greater? Here 500 is greater. That's why this digit, 500 is lesser. 500 is a lesser than compared to 700. Okay. Now write the lesser number. What is the lesser number here? 546. 546. This 546 compared to this number is lesser or greater? So it is greater, it is for lesser. So lesser symbol. Remember here greater symbol don't keep. Why? Because this position, this number position tells for it is for lesser. 256 is a lesser. Order we have to read here. Why? Because like this we are reading na. So symbol also same represent in this manner only. 256 lesser than 546. 546. Now last only one number as it is right, that is 757. 757. So order is what now? Lesser symbol. This is the ascending order of the numbers. Like this we have to write the ascending order. So like this we have to compare more than how many numbers? 2 numbers. This method is called as a ascending order. The numbers we have to arrange from smallest to biggest number is called ascending order. How to compare? See, 237 is lesser than 247. 247 is lesser than 256. 256 is lesser than 546. 546 is lesser than 756. So compared to this number, this all are lesser. Compared to this number, these 3 are lesser. Compared to this number, these 2 are lesser. Compared to this one number, only one number is lesser. Compared to this number, previous number is no number. We can consider it is for as a 0. It is considered as a 0. It is called as a ascending order. Now what is the meaning of descending order here? Very simple. Descending order is nothing but as a, so the numbers we are arranging from biggest number to smallest number. Very simple. Just ascending order reverse. Opposite of the ascending order is called as a reverse is called as a descending order. So what is the biggest number in this here? Once we can consider also 2, 5, 7, 2, 2. So 2, 2, these are the smaller numbers compared to 5. 5 also smaller number compared to 7. Now 7 is compared to all the first place digits. This is the biggest digit. Take this digit number in the first place. Now 757 is a greater than. See here I am writing greater than of. Just I am writing for reverse. 757 greater than. So greater than. See here greater than is equal. Then what number next number is here? Yes. So out of this digit is already finished. Next digit here 4 are there. Out of 4, first place digit 3 numbers are equal. 2 2 only. Compared to 2, 5 is greater. We can take out. We can pick out this number. Second position, that is 546 is a greater than of what number? Yes. Next number what will become? So next number is what here? 2 here, here 2, here 2. The first place digits so is same. What we should do? Go to next place digit. 3, 4, 5. In this which digit is greater here? 5 is a greater digit. Which digit is greater? That digit number we have to take out outside. That is 256. So 546 greater than of 256. Okay. Next digit is what? So this 3 is finished. Next 1 and 2 left number. Here 3, here 4. Compared to which is greater? This is the greater digit number, that is 247, which is greater than. 256 is greater than of 247. Finally, last number 247 is a greater than of the 237. If you observe these two, ascending order and descending order, it is for a ascending order, it is a descending order. It is a descending order. So ascending order, descending order means the numbers arranged from smallest to biggest number is called the ascending order. The numbers arranged from biggest to smallest number is called the descending order. So if we know ascending order means automatically we can write in the descending order also. Just reverse. See here. 757 is greater than simple right. So greater than, just we are writing reverse. So next to 546 is a greater than of 256, greater than of 247, greater than of 2. Just we have to reverse the ascending order, which you will get the descending order. This is the process of comparing numbers. This is the process of comparing numbers. I hope you all are understanding the concept perfect and thoroughly. One more problem I will explain here. So listen carefully. Suppose if I take the larger numbers, suppose 4507, 4500, 17, 4570. Now these numbers, can you compare now? These are the bigger numbers. Most of the children facing problem where comparing the big numbers, only. Very easy process, very easy technique. Just we have to observe the where from the left, extreme left digits we have to start. So if the extreme left digit is same, so go to next place. Go to next place digits. That place also same means go to next place. Like this we have to consider. We can see here. So extreme left digit here, which place is last place is 1000 place. 4000, 4000, 4000. 444. Place value 4000, 4000, 4000. In all cases the value is same. So which one we can write here? We can't write here. Why? Because all values are same now, we can't decide which number we can take. So then what we should do? Move to next place. What is the next place? 100 place digit. So here 5, here 5, here 5. In this case also, second 100 place digit also same thing. So what is the place value here or digit? 5 is a digit. Place value means 500. 500, 500, 500. So in this case also equal value. Equal means we can't write which is greater, which is smaller. Next, go to next place. What we should do? Next place. What is the next place? 0, 1, 1. Next place is tens place digit. Here 0, here 1, here 1. Can you tell me in this case which one is the smaller digit? Which one is the smaller digit? We can write two ways. Yes or no? So I am writing here smaller one only. First digit onwards we are writing. So smaller digit is what here? 0. Now take that number is first here. 4507. 4507. Okay. Now next number is what here? Yes. Next number what we should consider? In the next number also, why? Because all the three number first two places are equal. Now we are considering third place. In this case here 0 will be, here 1, 1. Here also 1 is there, here also 1 is there. Here also 1 is there, here also 1 is there. Go to next place, 7, 7. So here also 7. Meaning is what here? These two numbers are equal. These two numbers are equal. So these two, why? Because all places digits, here also all places digits are same. Meaning is automatically we can understand these two numbers are equal. We can take out the one number. What is the number? Anyone? 4517. Why? Because equal there now, one we have to pick out. Now compare these two. Compare these two. 4507 is a lesser than 4570. This is the one way. Otherwise, if I take, it is the first digit. Suppose 4517. Compared to this number, how it is this? It is the greater. So you have to write the greater symbol. So 4570 is a greater than of 4507. Okay. So either we can write in this way or we can write in this way. Answer should be same only. Next, compared to these two numbers are equal. So just we have to keep the equal symbol. Equal symbol. So like this we can compare the bigger numbers, smaller numbers very easily manner. Very simple manner here. Just we have to start with the extreme left digit onwards. If the first digit is equal means go to next. That place also digits equal means go to next. So which digit is smaller, greater there means take that digit number and write in the order according to the given question. So now I will give some problems for homework. You can do that problems. Also you can try your own problems. Okay, I will give here. First one is compare numbers. I am writing here. First one is 7,000. It is the first question. Second question is the second question. Yes, these are the three questions for homework. Remember children, where we have to use greater symbol, lesser symbol, equal symbol, ascending order, descending order. Very simple here. Two numbers means we will use the three symbols, greater, lesser and equal. More than two means ascending order, descending order. Just they will give question, compare the numbers. So how to decide? Yourself we have to decide what we have to take here. If it is 2 digits means greater, lesser, equal symbols we have to take. More than 2 means either ascending order, descending order you can write here. So that is the way of the process. Sometimes in the question they will only mention. So which numbers are greater, which numbers are equal. Sometimes they will mention as a write the given number in the ascending order or descending order. They will mention. Sometimes they should not mention. Only they will mention compare the numbers. In this case, how to decide? Two numbers means lesser, greater, equal symbol. More than 2 means either ascending order, descending order we have to write. This is the process of comparing numbers. I hope all are understand the topic perfect and clearly. So if you understand the concept clearly, please subscribe my channel, encourage my channel. So many children only seeing my channel but not subscribing. So if you support, if you encourage means I can do more videos. Your encourage is very most important. Please subscribe my channel. For more updates, click on bell icon button. Thank you. Bye bye.